Welcome to American Junkyard Dog. Today, we will be removing a factory car stereo from a 2018 Chevy Silverado. First, we want to remove the stereo dash trim. Unplug the two connectors connected to the stereo dash trim. There are four 7mm screws holding the car stereo in position. These need to be removed. After removing these screws, give the stereo a small pull and it will pop out. 3 wires are connected to the back of the unit. Unplug these connectors from the factory stereo. And just like that, you removed the Chevy Silverado factory stereo. You are now ready to install it in another vehicle. Like, if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to American Junkyard Dog for more scrapyard removals. Thank you for watching.